Hi, welcome to a series of videos on Ollama, where we can have our own free, locally running AI applications, including agents. Interesting thing is, last 2 days, there is an update that Ollama now supports thinking. So some of the models have thinking ability. So that makes it very powerful. So it is almost as if you don't need to rely on any online paid subscriptions for AI access. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. Today is a short video where we'll quickly see how you can set up Ollama and create your own thinking AI setup locally. And toward the end, we will also see how you can have an agentic system using Agno library that is also free, locally running, absolutely locally running. If you don't know what Ollama is a mechanism that lets you run large language models locally. The commands are something similar to Docker. The installation is very, very simple. Just download and install. So if you click on download, Ollama is available for Mac, Linux and Windows. Installation is very simple. Just double click to install it. The confusing thing is there is no UI. So when you install, you won't see anything. So after you install, you need to come to your terminal and type Ollama list. And you will not see any models listed. What you need to do is visit the Ollama website and click on models and look at the models that are present. So here, if you see DeepSeek R1 has thinking, and Qwen also supports tools and thinking. So depending on your system spec, you can choose to download one of these models. Let me show you how we can download. I'm going to download Qwen 8 billion. So you click on Qwen 3 and here you get the name of the model. So latest, click here to copy it, Qwen 3:8 billion. And what you need to do is Ollama pull Qwen 8 billion like this. Okay, it says I need the latest Ollama. So I will update Ollama. I have updated Ollama. Now let's pull. Now depending on your connection speed, this could take some time. So I will pause the video and come back. Okay, so that is almost done. This you need to do only once. Whenever a new model update comes, you will need to do this. Well, that is going on. I will also be downloading DeepSeek R1. Okay, so that also has the thinking option. I will download the 8 billion one. Okay, so let's download DeepSeek R1 8 billion as well. Let me pause the video. Okay, so that is almost done. So what we have done, we have first downloaded Ollama and installed on our desktop. Then we downloaded two models. One is Qwen 3 8 billion parameter and another one DeepSeek R1, again 8 billion parameter. We will see the ways we can run this. First is using Ollama CLI itself. So that is the simplest way of accessing the model. What we will do is Ollama run Qwen 3 8 billion parameter which has thinking ability. Depending on your system, this could take time. Okay, we have the prompt. We will ask a simple question. What is 2 plus 2? And a question mark. Let's see what happens. See, it started thinking. And we have the answers. To come out of this, we can type by. Imagine you have a reasonably powerful thinking model locally on your desktop, all free. You don't even need internet. Okay, so next is we will test DeepSeek R1 8 billion as well. Okay, so again, what is 2 plus 2? Okay, this too is thinking. So when you have such a powerful local thinking model, you can continuously let it generate things that you need, isn't it? In order to exit, you need to type buy. Okay, so that is the simplest way of accessing Ollama running locally. Okay, using the command line. Now we will see different ways of accessing this. One is using curl. Okay, using curl command, you can call the model like this is Qwen 8 billion parameter, and here create a business plan to sell kites. But that will give a very long output. Remember, these are all possible. Please add 2 to 3. Okay, think false we are giving, and we will see the output. That's clear. Remember, this command will work only if you have Ollama started. Okay, so here we have the output 2 plus 3 equal to 5. If you use the command line JQ, it will format the JSON output better. See here, the response is here, and we have the message, and the content has the answer. And in this case, there is no thinking. No thinking. So what we will do next is, we will, same command, we will enable thinking. So let me copy this. Think equal to true. Pipe to JQ. It takes longer for thinking, and here is the output. Okay, so thinking, okay, the user is asking to add 2 to 3, and the whole thinking process, it gives out. So this is another way of accessing. So we saw command line way of accessing. So and now we accessed it using curl utility. Here we are using Qwen 8 billion parameter. If you want to use DeepSeek, all you need to do is to change this to DeepSeek-R1 8 billion. We will now see Python. So this is using Ollama Python library. Okay, so import Ollama and Qwen 8 billion. What is 2 plus 2? Okay, and thinking, we will enable true, and stream we are setting to false so that we get complete response as a single chunk. Run.sh, which is a Python environment to run it. Okay, so here is the output. Sum of 2 and 2 is 4. Here is a simple breakdown. Start with 2. So the thinking process is given below. Okay, so now let's change this model to DeepSeek R1 8 billion parameter. So far we saw 3 ways of accessing the thinking model. One is using Ollama CLI, another one using curl utility, and the third thing what we are seeing here is using Python Ollama library. Depending on your use case, you can choose the best fitting option. But next we will see a very simple, nice way how you can incorporate this as an agentic application. Okay, so word what typically capitalized at the beginning of the sentence, but assuming I will process your question directly. In basic arithmetic, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So again, this is thinking using DeepSeek R1. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, we are going to build an Agno agent using Qwen 8 billion parameter. Here is the code. Here we are importing the required libraries. We are importing Agno agent library, then Ollama library, and Yahoo Finance tools. So here we are defining the agent and passing the Ollama model which is running locally, and then Yahoo Finance tool to get the stock information. Now here write a report on NVIDIA. So that is the query. So remember, this is again absolutely free agent, no subscription required. So let's run this. So agno01.py is the name of the script. Using just few lines of Python code, You have a powerful agent that is running locally on your laptop or desktop. We have not enabled streaming. That is why it is waiting to get the entire response back. And we will make similar couple of more videos using agentic local Ollama with various options. Okay, so here is the output. So output starts from here. Here is our message: write a report on NVIDIA. And these are the tool calls: get current stock price, get current company info, get analyst recommendations, get company news. So see various tools it has called using Yahoo Finance. And then here it starts the thinking process. So if you see here it has started the thinking process. It is thinking, and then finally here this is the closing tag for thinking. So here is the analyst recommendation summary. Here we have the recent news articles published on May 31, 2025. Simply Wall Street, Bloomberg and TechCrunch. See the power? Absolutely free, locally running agentic application using Ollama. Using Ollama thinking model. Please give your valuable comments. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video in this series. Bye-bye.